IBPS prelims. Let's start from question number 31. So we are here with caselet. So whenever we are starting with caselet, see the information. So information, if it is too small, then we can start these questions. Otherwise, let's hold the question. From 31 onwards, we were having caselet. So let me start from 36. So 36 onwards, we have number series questions. Complete these questions. And from 41, we have numerical ability. Right. Now concentrate on this. Minus x is here. Take that value to left hand side. That is x is equal to 56 into 456 divided by 3 plus 5100 we have. And then when this value goes to right hand side, it becomes minus. So minus 156 into 684 divided by 12% of 650. 10% is 65. 1% is 6.5. 2% is 13. 13 plus 65, that is equal to 78. 78 exactly 2 times we have. So now let me simplify this. 1, 5, 2. 6 into 2 ends with 2 plus 0, here it is, minus 2 into 4, 8. 2 minus 8 in the sense answer must end with 4 and there is only one option. 12244 will be our final answer. Next 42. 3/5 of 5 times we have here. 3 by 5 of 2295 into 75 divided by 5. Minus x goes to right hand side and right hand side numbers comes to left hand side. 129 by 3 minus 157. This is our entire answer. So 5 into 15, 75 gets cancelled. 3 into 5 ends with 5 minus 3, 43 times 3 plus 7, 0. 5 minus 0 in the sense answer should end with 5. There is only one option, fourth option. Now take 2 1 by 4 to left hand side, that becomes minus 2 1 by 4. 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 7, 15 minus 1, 14, 14 minus 2, that is equal to 12. And then for all the denominators, 8, 2, 4, 8, 4, LCM is equal to 8. 8, 7 times here, 2, 4 times, 4 2s, 2 into 3, 6, minus 8 1 times, 4 2 times, that is minus 2. 17 minus 3, 14, 14 by 8 in the sense that can be written as 1, 6 by 8, that is equal to 3 by 4. 12 plus 1, 3 by 4 in the sense 13, 3 by 4, second option answer. Now 16,384. 16,384 we have here. 12 square, 120 square is equal to 14400. This is more than that. And then 130 square is equal to 16900. So this is close to 16,900. So value will be close to 130. As this is ending with 4, that has to end with 8. Either end with 8 or 2. But if you consider it as 122 square, that is close to this number. So this cannot be the one. So 128 is final one. So 128 into 3136. 50 square is equal to 2500. As this is ending with 6, it has to be either 54 square or 56 square. Between these two, let's consider 55. That is 3025. This is more than that, hence it is 56 only. Into 56 divided by 8 minus 20 square, 400. Minus 50 square, take that value to left hand side, that becomes plus 56 whole square. That is equal to x value. Now 8 times 56, 7 into 8, 56 ends with 6. Minus 0, don't have to worry about it. 6 square, that is equal to 36. ends with 6. So that is plus 6. 6 plus 6 in the sense answer should end with 2. There is only one option, 36, 32. Next 45. Now 117 can be written as 39 times. 9 square into 13 square. 13 square gets cancelled and finally we have 9 square here. This is 9 cube to the power of 6 and then 9 square. The total value 9 to the power of 8 so far. 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 square to the power of 8, that is equal to 3 to the power of 16 into 3 power 5. So we have to add exponents and that is equal to 3 to the power of 21. Second option answer. Now, if you want to do it, it might take some time, but if you observe these numbers carefully, after digit there is only one number. So let us do this number, write this number as 215 by 10, 95 by 10, 64 by 10. This is 5 multiple. So 5, 43 times divided by 10. 95 by 10, write it as 5 into 19 divided by 10. 64 by 10, write it as 2 into 16 divided by 10. 5 into 2, 10 cancel. 5 into 2, 10 cancel. So finally we have only denominator 10 value, keep it as it is. 43 19 times and then 16 times. Let's calculate 43 16 times. 43 20 times is equal to 860. 2 times is 86. 4 times is equal to 172. We have to subtract it. Then it becomes subtract 200, add 28. 660 plus 28, 688. And now we need to take 19 times. 10 times is this number. 20 times is equal to 13,760 minus 1 time. 1 time in the sense we have to subtract 688. From 160 if you subtract, from 60 you cannot subtract 88. So hence let us subtract 88 from 160. Then that is equal to 72. So answer should end with 7.2. There is only one option, 1307.2. That is your final answer. 15% of 640. 10% is 64. 5% is 32. Total 96. Minus. This value is negative. When it comes left hand side becomes plus. 12% we have. 10% is 35. 1% is 3.5. 2% is 7. 35 plus 7, that is equal to 42. Answer 138. Next. 87 divided by 1.5 into 0.5. In both numerator and denominator, we have only one digit after decimal. So I'll write it as 15 and then 5. 5 3 times here, 3 2 times and then 9 times. 29, fifth option answer. 6 cube can be written as 2 cube into 3 cube. 3 cube gets cancelled. Finally, we will have 2 cube, which is equal to 8. 8 is equal to cube root of which number? That is equal to 512. First option. Now 402. Number after decimal. After decimal, let us calculate that. 0.53, 0.41. That is 0.94. From this, if you subtract 0.47, answer also should end with the 0.47. How many options are ending with 0.47? There is only one option. Now 51 onwards, we have arithmetic questions. Let us try to solve arithmetic questions now. 45 liters of mixture contains glycerin and rose water in the ratio 1:2. So glycerin and rose water, 3 parts is equal to 45, 1 part is equal to 15, 2 parts is equal to 30. 18 liters of rose water and 12 liters of glycerin is to be added to the mixture. Then find the percentage of glycerin in the final mixture. Now 18 liters of rose water and 12 liters of glycerin, when you add it, already we have 45 liters contained and now we are adding 30 liters. Total it is equal to 75 liters. Out of 75 liters, we were asked to calculate percentage of glycerin. Glycerin is equal to 27 liters. So 27. 25 3 times here, 25 4 times here. 3 9 times. 9 4s 36%. First option answer. ABC together started a business. A invested 3/7 of the total investment. So A itself invested 3 parts. Then B and C together should invest 4 parts. And the investment of B is equal to the investment of C. That means B should invest 2 parts and C also 2 parts. The total profit is to be distributed among them. A received 960, which is equal to 3 parts. Find the total profit. Now 960 is equal to 3 parts, 1 part is equal to by 3. Total profit is equal to 7 parts, that is equal to into 7. 3, 320 times into 7. So 0, 30 to 7 times, that is equal to 224. 2240. Otherwise, answer should end with 40. Two options are there. We have to calculate total value. 2240 is our final answer. A person invests 8,000 at 5% per annum for some years at simple interest. If he received 10% of the sum as interest, 10% he received at the rate of 5% per annum. So how many years in the sense 10% by 5%? 2 years is your final answer. 1 year we are getting 5%. When you are getting 10%, that is equal to 2 years only. 2 into 5, 10%. The average price of 20 bottles is 60. Then total price is equal to 1200. The highest and the lowest priced bottles are sold out. So that the average price of the remaining 18 bottles is 55. If the cost of the highest priced bottle is 160, then find the cost of the lowest priced bottles. Right now. So sum of 20 bottles is 20 into 60, 1200. And 18 bottles is 1855 times. 1850 is 900. 18 5 times 90, that is equal to 990. If you subtract it, that is equal to 210. This is cost of the highest price and the least price. Highest priced bottle is 160, then least priced bottle price is equal to 210 minus 160, that is equal to 50. Third option answer. The area of the rectangle and the square lawn are equal. So length into breadth is equal to a square. Length of the rectangular lawn is 9 more than its breadth and its perimeter is 82. 2 times of L plus B is equal to 82. Then L plus B is equal to 41 and the difference between them is equal to 9. From this, length is equal to sum divided by 2, which is 25. Then breadth is equal to difference divided by 2. Otherwise, if you subtract 9 from this number, that will be 16. Now, length and breadth we have. What is the measure of the sides of the square lawn? So area of the square is equal to length into breadth, that is equal to 25 into 16, which is equal to 400. 400 can be written as 20 to the power of 2. So each side of the square lawn is equal to 20 meters. Second option answer. Total expenditure of Mukesh is 13,200. If the spendings on food, rent, education and miscellaneous items are in the ratio 2351, then find the expenditure of Mukesh on food. Food is 2 parts out of total 11 parts among total expenditure 13,200. 11, 12 times and then 2 zeros, 2 into 1200, that is equal to 2,400. Second option. The average age of group of 12 persons is 65. 3 persons of age 15, 20, 25 left the group. 3 new persons 28, 30, 32 joined the group. So 3 members left and 3 more members joined. There is no change in the total number of people. So initially we have 12 people and even after the replacement also there are 12 members. What is the new average age of the group? So finally we were asked to calculate average of 12 people here. Initial average is 65. Now out of them 3 members of age 15, 25, 20 and then 25. That is equal to 60 years age is subtracted, that means gone out, and in place of that 32 plus 28, 60, 60 plus 30, 90 joined, 60 gone and 90 added. So final effect is extra, we have 30. So now because of that 30, average for 12 people definitely increases. Now this extra 30 must be adjusted among 12 people. So each person gets 2.5. 65 plus 2.5, that is 67.5. Third option is our answer. A train running with a speed of 90 km per hour crosses a pole in 12.2 seconds. Find the length of the train. If a train crosses a pole, distance covered is equal to train length. When you are asked to calculate train length, let us try to calculate distance. Speed into time. Options are in meters, so convert speed kilometer per hour to meter per second and the time taken 12.2 seconds. 18 5 times here. 5 into 12.2. take 10 times and make it half. 10 times is 122. Half of that is 61. 61 5 times. Again take 10 times and make it half. 61 10 times 610. Half of that is equal to 305. So 305 meters. First option is our answer. After 2 years, A's age is equal to the present age of B. So that means age difference between A and B is equal to 2 years. Anytime age difference between any two persons must be seen. 4 years ago, C's age is thrice that of B. Find A's present age if present age of C is equal to 22. So if present age of C is equal to 22, 4 years back it was 18, and C's age 4 years back was 3 times of B's age at that time. So then B's age must be 6 years, then only 6 threes is equal to 18. And then you're asked to calculate present. What is the find A's present age? 4 years back, if B's age was 6 years, then present age of B must be 10. And age difference between A and B must be equal to 2 years. And who is elder and who is younger? After 2 years, A's age is equal to B's present age. So after 2 years, A's age will be equal to present age of B. Then A's age after 2 years becomes 10, then present age is equal to 8. 8, second option is our final answer. 15 men can finish a piece of work in 8 days. 18 women can finish the same piece of work in 12 days, and 16 children can finish it in 20 days. 12 women, 8 children started working together and worked for 10 days. If the remaining work need to be finished in 2 days, for how many men should be added to the existing force? This is very important. That means existing workforce is 12 women and then 8 children. They already worked for 10 days. Then remaining 2 days also they are going to work. So women and children are working for total 10 plus 2, 12 days. Now 18 women can do it in 12 days. One woman can do it in 18 into 12. And how many women started? 12 women started, and they are working for 12 days. This is work done by 12 women in 12 days. 16 children can do it in 20 days. Then one child can do it in 16 into 20 days. How many children are here? 8 children. And they are also working for 12 days. This is work done by children. And according to men, 15 men can do it in 8 days. One man can do it in 15 into 8. 15 into 8. And X people are adding, we are adding X people, and they have to work for 2 more days. So work done by men, work done by women, work done by children, and that is equal to total work, which is equal to 1. 12 gets cancelled. 6 2 times, and then this is 3 times. 8 2 times, here we have 4 3s, 4 5 times. So we have 2 by 3 and then 3 by 10. That goes to right hand side. That becomes 2x by 15 into 8 is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 10. So take LCM, which is equal to 30. 1, 3, 10 times here, which is 20. And 10, 3 times here, 3 into 3, 9. 30 minus 29, that is equal to 1 by 30, which is equal to 2x divided by 15 into 8. 15, 2 times here, 2, 4 times here, 2, 2 times. So x value is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, hence answer is fifth option. From 61, we have a simple table. So let's continue this. What is the total number of male working in company D and female working in company A? Total number of male working in company D, female working in A. Male in D, male people in D, and female in A. Female in A. That is you're asked to calculate total 500 plus 700, 1200, second option. 62. What is the respective ratio of number of male working in company A and E to that number of female working in B and D? Need to be very careful when picking up values. For male in A and E, male people in A and E together, that is equal to 1400, and female in B and D, B and D, that is equal to 1600. So 207 times here, 208 times, 7 by 8, answer 7 is to 8, which is our first option. Number of female working in company B and E is Female in B and E. B and E, that is 1000, is what percentage of male working in C and D? Male working in C and D is equal to 1600. Now that is what percentage? That's what we have to calculate. 200, 5 times here, 200, 8 times here, 5 by 8. 5 by 8 in the sense that is 62.5 percentage. We have learned these conversions in percentage chapters, and if you are good at those conversions, it will be very easy for us to identify the answer. What is the average number of employees in company C and E together? In company C, total we have 2000, and E we have total 1000. Now we were asked to calculate average for those two numbers. Average for 2000 and 1000 is sum divided by 2, which is 1500. Fifth option answer. Total number of employees working in company A is what percent less than total number of employees working in C? Total employees working in A is 1500, and C, just now we calculated, it was 2000. Now we were asked to calculate 1500 is what percentage less than 2000. 1500 is 500 less that of 2000, percentage into 100. 500 ones and then 4 times. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 in the sense 25%. Second option answer. So apart from 31 to 35 where we have caselet, except that we have completed everything. Now let's start caselet. If you observe this, in village A, 8,200 residents, a survey was conducted for a viewership of TV shows of different languages. It was observed that out of total population, 22% watch Hindi TV shows, 17% Marathi TV shows only, 17% Marathi TV shows only, 11% Tamil only, 9% Gujarat only, 11% Tamil, and then 9% Gujarat only. 10% watch Hindi and Tamil. Hindi and Tamil, they said 10%. 8% watch Hindi and Marathi. 7% watch Marathi, Tamil, Gujarati. Marathi, Tamil, and Gujarati. That was 7%. 9% watch Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. Hindi, Marathi, and Gujarati shows. The rest of the population watch TV shows of all the languages. All the languages in the sense Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, and Gujarati. Remaining. Let's calculate remaining value. This is 20, 20, 20, 40, 40, 16, 56, 66, 86, 88, and then 95. Let's come again. 20, yes, here it is. This is 20, 30, 40, 60, 69, 69 plus 9, 69 plus 9, 78, 78 plus 15, that is equal to 93. Then remaining is 7%, and they'll be in all languages. So all these are percentages calculated on total value, which was 8,200. So 1% is 82, that is clear. What is the total number of female who watch both Gujarati as well as Tamil? Both Gujarati as well as Tamil. If the respective ratio between total female and male ratio was 17:11. We were asked to calculate female here. Female are 17 parts out of total 28 parts. So that is 17 out of 28 among 1% is 82 into Gujarati and Tamil TV shows. Gujarati and Tamil. Here we have Gujarati and Tamil, and here we don't have Tamil, Gujarati and Tamil. So 7 plus 7, that is equal to 14%. So that is into 14. 14 2 times here, 2 41 times. 7 into 1, answer should end with 7. There are two options are here. So 1740 times is equal to 680 plus 17 1 times 17. So total 697. 697, fifth option answer. How many people do not watch Tamil TV shows. How many people do not watch Tamil? So those who like Tamil are 11, 10, 21, 28, 28 plus 7, 35. If 35 percentage watch Tamil TV shows, 65 percentage do not watch. 65 in the sense 65 into 82, where 1% is equal to 82. 5 into 2, answer should end with 0. And how many options are ending with 0? There are two options here. So let's write this number as 5 into 13 and write this number as 41 into 2. 2 into 5, 0. 3 into 1, 3. Answer must end with 30 and there is only one option. How many households watch neither Marathi nor Gujarati? That means Marathi should not be there, Gujarati should not be there. So that means only Hindi, only Tamil, Hindi and Tamil. Except these three, you consider any other option, any other value that will have either Marathi or Gujarati. Everywhere. Marathi, Gujarati, Marathi, Gujarati, Gujarati, Gujarati. So only these three we should consider. 22 plus 11, 33. 33 plus 10, 43. So now we have to calculate 43 percentage. 43 into 1%, that is 82. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. Answer must end with 6. How many options are there? There are two options here. So when there are two options, somehow I want to eliminate one option. 43, it's a prime number. 82, 2 into 41. Again, 41 is a prime number. So you can decide whether it is only 2 multiple. That's it. So it has only 2 multiple, not even a 4 multiple. So 26, last two digits, that is 2 multiple, but not 4 multiple. 36, this is 4 multiple. When your numbers are not having 4 multiple, how can we get 4 multiple as final answer? We will not get it. Hence, 35, 26 is our final answer because that is only 2 multiple but not 4 multiple. Reason being, our original number is having only 2 multiple but it is not having 4 multiple. We are eliminating fifth option because this is 4 multiple and second option is our final answer. How many people watch both Hindi as well as Gujarati? Hindi as well as Gujarati. H and G both should be there. H is there, G is not there. G is there, H is not there. H and G, yes. H and G, yes. 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16. Hindi as well as Gujarati. Hindi and Gujarati, right. So 16 percentage we have to calculate. That is 16 into 82. 6 into 2 ends with 2. Answer should end with 2. How many options are there? Yes. 2 options are there. So we have to calculate. There is no other way. Now 82 20 times minus 4 times. 82 10 times is 820. 20 times is 1640. 2 times is 164. 4 times is 328. Now 13 12. 13 12, third option is our answer. How many people in village A watch Marathi TV shows? Wherever we have Marathi, we should consider that. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 7, 32. 32 plus 9, 41 and 48. So we have to calculate 48 percentage, that is 48 into 82. So here 8 into 2, answer should end with 6. How many options are there? There is only one option. This is our final answer. So with this we completed the entire paper. We'll meet in next session with the strategy. Thank you very much.